Hey everyone, welcome back to Cook and Travel. Today, we're diving into an effortless no-cook chickpea salad. This simple yet delicious recipe is perfect when you're not in the mood to cook, but still crave something tasty and nutritious. So, get your large mixing bowl ready and prepare to be amazed. This refreshing salad is as simple as it gets. Here's what you'll need: a can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. You'll also want a cup of halved cherry tomatoes, a diced cucumber, and half a finely chopped red onion. Add some crumbled feta cheese and sliced Kalamata olives, about a quarter cup of each. For the dressing, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Finally, season to taste with salt and pepper and garnish with fresh parsley. Now that we have everything, it's time to put it all together. Start by adding your drained chickpeas into your bowl. These are the protein-packed base of our salad. Next, it's time to bring in some color and crunch. Toss in your halved cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, and finely chopped red onion. Now let's level up the taste. Crumble in your feta cheese and throw in those sliced Kalamata olives. But wait, we're not done yet. In a separate bowl, it's time to whisk together your extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar. This simple dressing is going to elevate your salad to a whole new level. Pour it over your salad, making sure each ingredient gets a good coating. Now it's time to season with salt and pepper. Remember, it's all about balance. Give it a good toss, let the flavors mingle for a bit, then add some fresh parsley on top, and voila! Your no-cook chickpea salad is ready to be devoured. And there you have it, a no-cook chickpea salad that's not only effortless but also delicious and satisfying. Go ahead, give it a whirl and share your results. We're always here, dishing out more such effortless recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and tasty ideas. Until next time, happy eating!